Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and one of the lists that you can look at if you are, and this one is an overall all year long list. It's an interesting list because it mixes what is known about schedules, but also what people are listening to and reporting. It's the AOKI Japan list of frequencies for shortwave. Actually, it has long wave, medium wave, and shortwave in there of pretty much everything. So it's a pretty big list, and this is one that you can check out. The latest version, you see it here, March 30th at 04 UTC. This pretty much changes day to day, so it's worth checking that list all the time because it definitely is one of the lists that's updated quite regularly. So if you're looking for something, you can check out this list. And sometimes, you don't know what you're listening to. Your favorite app doesn't work properly. We're still in the A23 schedule season, which is, brand new. So a lot of apps are not working and don't have the accurate information. I'll share this link, and you can use the browser's functionality for search to see what's on. For example, if I want to know what's on 11620 in English at 03 UT, well, I'll just use the search functionality, type 11620, which will actually pinpoint the frequency immediately. 03 UTC, here we go, Radio Romania in English. So that is to give you an idea of, getting the accurate information for what you're listening to. I think it's a list that is, even if it's not, totally accurate still, it's one of the best lists to actually use to see what is on the air at a certain time and frequency. So I think this is to check out. So when you click this list with the link, it will bring you to this list. And like I said, every time you come here, it will actually probably be updated. So right now I'm showing you this one, which is updated 04 UTC today. But if you see this video in 2 days, when you click the link, you'll see that you're probably going to be at a new accurate list for, that's updated for April 1st or April and so on. So do look at this list regularly. And one last little trick, if you are a little fluent in using the Excel spreadsheet app, or if you have a spreadsheet app of your own, it could be in the LibreOffice app, you can actually import these. And what I did is actually imported, in my case, in the Excel app. And in the Excel app, I had everything put together in each column. And I was able to sort the time column by time, which also is helpful because you can now, in my case, I can now look at what's on in each time period when I want to tune around the bands. So AOKI list, one of the good lists, and it's definitely one of the lists to keep handy all the time. And don't print this because you're going to be very surprised. Just to give you an idea, if I click print, it's going to tell me that, if it ever tells me that, I don't know if it's going to show up, but it's probably going to, here we go. Right now it says total 0, there, 96 sheets of paper, and that's because I print on both sides. So imagine that means if you would print on only one side, you'd be at almost 200 pages of print. So I don't recommend that you print the list. It's a little big. But if you have a smartphone, it's easy to search through. It's a plain text, which is great and is visible on everything. So if you have a smartphone, if you have a tablet, you know what? You can download the list. It is a text file. So if you click the save as, you'll see that it will actually save as a text file. So you can give it the name that you want, and you can update that text file if you want at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. The link to this list is in the description below.